ODB 2. You can see it's powered on, okay, but it doesn't connect with any application. I have tested on the other car also, doesn't do anything. Disconnected. Trying to connect again. You can see the link, it's on. The power it's on. The engine is start. Let's stop it. Start it again. Okay. Connect. Disconnected. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Let's try another application. I have tried several applications, more than 10, but this device doesn't do anything. Here it shows me just because it's trying to connect, but also nothing happens. Failed to connect. Yeah, okay. Okay. I have tried several applications, nothing. Doesn't work with any of them. Let's search. I have uninstalled a few of them because of the let's see. Anyway, I have tried more than 10 applications. This device doesn't connect with any of them. Okay, this means, let's see, main menu, connect, connecting. I have also another car, a Ford Transit. I have tried on the other car too. Doesn't connect, doesn't do anything. Maybe it's a factory broken, maybe, I don't know. They have sent me the CD like this with a crap. I have bought it from Gearbest. Till now, all the products they sent me was good, but this one doesn't do anything. So it's just trying to connect, doesn't do anything. You can see that it's recognizing the product, but doesn't do anything. So you must be connected to the vehicle to perform operations. Okay. Still trying to connect. What you can see now on the display is just a demo. You can see error, OBD2 interface not found. What you have seen, it was just a demo, nothing else. These are not real values. So yeah, not connected. You can see not connected. Don't buy this piece of crap. Have a nice day.